Hello everyone. Are you wondering what hits different means? Let's explore. Hits different is a phrase used to describe something that feels unique or has a stronger impact than usual, often because of a specific context or emotional state. It's often used when an experience, song, or memory evokes stronger feelings than it might under normal circumstances, suggesting that it resonates on a deeper level. For example, a song might hit different when you hear it after a breakup, as the lyrics take on new meaning. The phrase captures the idea that certain moments or experiences can have a profound effect depending on the timing or situation, making them stand out in a significant way. In essence, hits different is about those experiences that resonate deeply and leave a lasting impression, often because they connect with personal emotions or unique situations. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.